What's going on, guys? So if you saw the last video, been doing a lot of exhaust work. Got another exhaust video coming at you. We have Jeff coming up with his Focus ST soon. Actually, I think he's here right now. So what we're gonna do is, he has a 3in Catless Downpipe we're gonna install. So let's do some more exhaust work. Gotta go get something real quick. Well, let's get a little stock exhaust clip. Well, it's not stock, it has an exhaust. It's got the Flowmaster, I believe, cat back on it. Sounds pretty good, but it should be a lot louder soon. Doing part.
And we have a charger.
A little gloomy out, but we got a few cars out right now. You just saw Torx and Austin's car. So they're both looking good. We're gonna finish Austin's exhaust because, as you can see, Taylor's new truck. Hi. So we got Taylor.
What's up?
We got the ST all jacked up, ready to go. It took a little bit, but I think we got enough space. So let's get her started.
Got it? I think the most fun I've ever had putting on headers was your car.
Yeah.
It was so fucking easy.
I know. And I was surprised too.
My car took like 3 days.
We also went on the list.
Oh. Do you need WD-40? It was moving. It's when it pops like that, it means it's moving. Yep.
You got one? Yeah. If not, it's just you can replace that kind of bolt.
I have new ones. You just got a side screw clamp, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
A few of them. They're just those little pop pins or whatever.
It is. Can't see it. Right, there we go.
So after taking all this crap off from the cat back, you're gonna come up here by the rear motor mount, and you're gonna take this bracket off, and that's this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and those two.
I have to do anything. Because it's like yeah, it's how you drive it. It's like with your windows down. Hey Jason, what's up, baby? Can you clean your buns? Let me touch your buns. What? Joey and I were on until 5 last night.
Bracket and this bracket. There's actually a bolt behind here where the engine mount, the rear engine mount is, right there. that not too many videos will show you, so make sure to remove that. I'm using a size 13mm ratcheting wrench to do it, and it's getting the job done.
Fix your dad like a couple times every hour.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Like, that's really good.
Bro.
Going to this V-band clamp up here and removing that, and then we're pretty much ready to take the stock downpipe off. So there's the O2 sensor right here. You just want to feel up this clip right there. There's two of them. You just want to unclip it, that way you don't break them or anything, because those suck to replace. We got the V-band clamp off of the downpipe from the turbo. You really just got to finagle with it, and you'll get it. What problem are we running into?
Getting the downpipe out, and it has the O2 in.
You want one? Yeah, if you want some, you can.
Oh, not yet.
It's coming.
This is where it's gonna get stuck. You might be gonna spin.
Push it back in and spin it.
It's hitting the heat shield on the right. There you go.
She's fucking free, bud.
Fucking man.
There you go.
It's fucking cake, CJ. Pony dick.
Here.
Alright. I'm gonna get out real quick.
Oh, it's pretty.
Start her up.
Now let's compare up to the bad boy over here. Good work, man. Set her down.
Dude, that's what you see. That's all that restrictive catness.
Yeah, look at that shit.
You see like that big blocking
This
thing?
thing's heavy, dude.
And that one's probably just straight through it, obviously.
I've never seen a cat before.
Damn.
Yo.
Oh, is it just like layers and shit?
It's just like a big stream thing, I think. I don't know. I've never taken that full
Big
apart.
difference in weight.
Oh, yeah, so nice.
It was gonna be a straight, yeah.
No, it's out. Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, thanks.
You ready?
I saw it. That was the only thing I saw.
The inside's so dope.
Jesus.
Dude, these are on there.
This is the hard part.
Nope. Farthest away from the V-band.
No, that's the closest to the DD.
This is the closest. That's the farthest.
Yeah.
Makes sense, because
The other one's longer and that one's short, yeah.
Do you think that'll be part of it?
looks like a tree. Looks like a
Long schlong.
Everything's off. We got the new downpipe sliding in. Now we're gonna put the V-band clamp back on and hopefully get this on. So let's get this lined up and then I can finish that. All right, bring her in.
Hold up. Let me tuck that in towards you.
All right, so we got the V-band clamp back onto the turbo manifold and the downpipe. Everything's on. Really, you just got to sit there and play with it and it'll fall into place.
Put it in.
Right now we're hooking up the downpipe back to the cat back and pretty much just putting everything back together and we should get it started up
The
soon.
gas can scoot over to the left.
Wait, let me see.
It's gonna sound like a tractor. Don't worry.
Oh shit. That sounds good.
Yeah, the cat does a lot for sure.
Dude.
Let her down, boss.
Oh, this is some closer.
Is your Rob's?
It's official, boys.
Closed. Case closed.
No, we'll get it, we'll get it. I'm just kidding.
Fuck that. Easy money.
Dude, this thing is gonna be fucking loud.
Yeah, what's good, dude?
Oh, you want to play with something, Rick?
All right, brother. How'd you like it?
Oh, close up.
Yeah.
I like how she sounds. Something's wrong with the fuel or something. I'm gonna have to retune it, but
Other than that,
other than that, I like it a lot.
would you recommend it?
If you want a louder ST, yeah, for sure, definitely.
Great.
I'm gonna eat some fucking burgers.